Come test drive this 2020 Ford Edge.
Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include a split folding rear seat, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, power front seats, speed-sensitive wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, heated seats, heated steering wheel, and leather upholstery. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 12 speakers, ensuring optimal sound no matter where you're seated. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.